channel. It's been 2 or 3 months, so sorry for long wait. So today we're gonna do fish curry. So first you need mackerel fish and sweet leaves, fish, brinjal, and this all the stuff. This is
coriander leaves,
dry chilies, onions,
curry leaves,
Indian onions, and
bendies,
and this is garlic and
ginger paste.
yes,
No.
butter, and put the mustard seeds. Please be careful because it's gonna pop like a popcorn. The mustard seeds need to be like this, what they call. Then we have to add dry chili and onions.
Jumping பண்ணுவாங்க எது வரல மரியாதை. Okay.
This sound. If this sound came, it's ready. Now put the fish. For half a minute, and we have to add this sweet leaves into this pan. But before that, we have to add chili paste. Then we have to add
Turmeric powder.
caramel powder.
Teaspoon of
1 teaspoon. And mix. Not yet. We have to add salt. A pinch. 1 teaspoon or 1 spoon. Mix well.
okay.
Then add the sweet leaves. Everything. Then mix it softly. Then add a flavor. And the flavor is this flavor. Just add a bit, not too much and not too low. Just add a little bit for the flavor. And add 1 cup of water. Just half a cup of water.
One cup of water. Half cup lah.
And we're ready.
Okay.
And close it. Please hurry up. Bye. And it needs to be cooked. A few minutes later, it will be like this. Please don't take this station. It needs to be more thicker, right? And close it for another 15 minutes. It will turn like this, dry and thicker. Mix it well. Then it needs to be cooled out, like burn out, like this. The sound needs to be like this, and turn up the heat and put it in the bowl.
Fried sweet.
Leaves. We are going to do fish curry. First, boil the oil and heat it. Temperature. The oil needs to be boiled. And put the mustard seeds a little bit.
Mix it.
Mixed mustard seed. And
Halva.
then
Kita dikala teriko. Fish mo lo kain kolong nauli.
boil like this, then need to be boiled more. First, put the Indian onion, small onion, and then the normal onion. Only onions, no other stuff. Fry it a little bit. And then put the garlic and ginger paste. 6 teaspoons. 2.5 or 6.
2 spoons.
2 spoon. 2 big spoon. Mix it. Add the powder. Turmeric powder. Sorry. 1 teaspoon. Mix. And then tomato and curry leaves. So hot. Mix that as well. Shush. And then put the brinjal. Mix well because it will be hard, and don't mix it too hard or it will fall down. You have messy your kitchen. Then need to put salt. 1, 3 teaspoons of salt. And the flavor, add the flavor. Not much and not too low, just a little bit. And mix it well. And pour 1 bowl of water. Peace and quiet finally. And just slurp it, just mix it. And add fish curry powder. 3 big teaspoons. Oh, that's a lot. 3.5 big spoon. 3.5. And add chili powder, 1 teaspoon. This look like this. And have to mix it well. Mix it softly. On this boiling thing need to be boiled, and then we can add the bandi. If we add the bandi now, the bandi will be boiled. The bandi.
Wash first.
Washed and clean and fresh and put it. Okay. And then add, I don't know what they call it. This salty thing for fish curries. And mix well. Don't mix it roughly or don't mix it softly, just mix it medium. Need to mix turmeric.
This is paprika.
Already mixed it. You need to boil thoroughly and thick, not too thick. After boiling, after the boil, we need to add the fish. Now, the last ingredient is, not the last, ingredient is fish. Put it softly, don't put it roughly. And need to mix like this. Just press it down and mix. It needs to be boiling.
Medium, huh? Put medium. Medium level.
Medium level heat.
Okay.
It needs to be boiled. Wow, the fish curry is so beautiful.
Smell good, tasty. Very good.
It's for you, not for me. So honey, please. Last, just put some salt for taste. If the taste not good, put the salt after.
Okay.
Just taste first. Taste testing. Your thumb is not there.
Good. Okay, fish, huh? You want
Good, she says good. Technical difficulty.
Can't stand.
Shut up.
Okay, this is the fish. Like this fish.
I think I now want to eat it. I think I'm starving like yesterday. Few minutes need to be boiled and be fashionable, little beautiful fish curry. And last, you have to put the what leaf?
Coriander.
Yes, for decoration and for the smell.
Coriander leaf. Smell is very good. Okay. Okay. Low the heat.
Oh my god, my beautiful dress.
Okay.
And it's all done. This is the fish curry. You can eat it with the sweet leaf mix and with the fish curry. Great thing and yummy too. So guys, it's the end of the thing. So tomorrow we will send some videos, crafts I guess. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. And please subscribe and get the notifications. So bye.